So in today's video, I decided that I would be doing a little reset routine type of thing. I just got off work not long ago. Today is Friday night, and I decided that this weekend I would dedicate it solely to taking care of myself. So in this video, I'm going to be getting my nails done. I'm going to have a hair appointment, clean my room. First thing on the list is a nail appointment. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow morning. My nails really need a refill. It's been almost a month and my thumb popped off. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I get my nails done.
Good morning. It's like 8 something. I lost my phone. Anyways, right now I'm about to head to my nail appointment. I'm wearing a sweatsuit so that it's very comfortable. And so I feel like I'm still in bed because I'm not fully awake yet right now. So I just got back from the nail salon. Basically, I really wanted the chrome Hailey Bieber nails, but I wanted to get purple because I don't think I've had purple nails before. But here they are. They're so pretty, so shiny. Right now, I'm about to go to my hair appointment because I need a haircut. As you can tell, my hair is very long. I don't mind the length, to be honest, so I'm probably just gonna get a trim and then cut the front pieces. So here are some of my inspo pics. Just got off the subway. We're walking to the hair salon right now. So I'm back home now. It's curled now, so it's kind of hard to tell, but it is layered. So at the hair salon, I also picked up one thing. It's called the Matrix Repair Treatment. And basically, it's like a leave-in conditioner type of thing. So now, my sister and I are gonna go to Michael's. I think it's almost 6 p.m.-ish, but she's gonna go pick some things up, and I wanna tag along and vlog. We're in Michael's now, and there's a lot of cutesy stuff. It's a bathtub! It's so cute. I don't know what I would use it for though, but very nice. This is cute. Today's the next day. I just came back from church with my sister and I got a venti iced oat latte with light ice, of course. Basically, the last time you saw me, I was at Michael's. But anyways, today is Sunday and I really need to clean my room. My room isn't that bad, but I'm really in need to clean it because I haven't wiped it down in at least a couple of months. The weather outside has been quite mucky, so I'm not feeling super motivated, but I'm gonna make myself clean my room. So this is the overall state of my room. My dresser top has a bunch of random stuff and is covered in dust, so I need to wipe that. My bed looks relatively decent, but to be honest, it's kind of a mess down there and I kind of just threw my comforter on top to hide everything. And this area is not too bad, but for some reason I have a stack of tissues there and my desk area just has a bunch of makeup. Up here is not that bad. I just need to do some wiping. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is make my bed. It's like almost 2 p.m. I haven't been making my bed at all for the past while. Firstly, I'm just gonna remove all the random stuff that I have lying here. gonna take all these clothes that are on my chair and singular clothing piece on my desk and fold everything together and put it back in my closet. Is it bad that literally just making my bed made me sweaty? Ooh. And it's like winter.
Coffee break number 2.
So I'm gonna wash these two. Okay, so now I'm gonna tackle this dresser area. I dropped my deodorant. So yesterday at Michael's, I got this little trinket thingy, and I thought that it would be perfect to put some jewelry in there. She's a little dirty in there, so I'm gonna give her a quick wash. I just felt my eye twitch.
A few moments later.
Okay, I rinsed it. I'm very happy about this because it was the only one in the store. So, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling about this and continue cleaning. So right now I have jewelry in all of these little trinket thingies. Specifically, I have a lot of earrings and rings. I don't think I'm going to use this anymore for my earrings. So I'm going to put all of my earrings from here into this. Okay, now we're done with over here. So now we're going to move on to this area. As you can tell, I have a bunch of random stuff. I have this bin here. It's kind of overflowing and she's all rusty dusty. So when I was in school, I bought a bunch of these pastel milk crate thingies. So I'm gonna put everything that's overflowing in here in this little milk crate. So this is how this area looks now. I don't need her anymore. So now that my room is clean, I want to give all my electronic devices a wipe. My laptop and my iPad is just covered in dust and all sorts of random stuff. I do have this electronic laptop screen cleaner thingy. I just need to find it. Okay, I found it. It's called Whoosh. Basically, it comes with a microfiber cloth and then a bottle of the cleaning solution. So what I'm gonna do is spray the spray. So I'm gonna spray the spray onto this microfiber. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. It is snowing like crazy outside. Okay, so it's completely dark outside now. What I'm gonna do is do some meal prepping for the week. So during the work week, I'm too lazy to cook all the time. I barely do cook. But what I do like to do on Sunday nights is prepare my lunch for the week. So literally almost every week I will make myself a batch of quinoa salad to bring for lunch. So that's what I'm gonna make right now. The last thing that I'm gonna do for this reset routine is some journaling. So I got a new journal for the new year. I got it off of Amazon. But basically this weekend, my sister and I are doing a little journaling prompt together. We're gonna write affirmations about ourselves and for each other so that we get a better sense of our personality and what we observe about each other. So I'm done with the journaling prompt for both myself and my sister. But yeah, I really like journaling because it forces me to get into my emotions and actually think about how I'm feeling. Because I feel like throughout the week when I'm working and just doing things all the time, I don't really think about my emotions so much. I kind of put it to the side. So what I really like about journaling is it allows me to reflect on my emotions before I go into the week. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me prepare for the week ahead and just have a relaxing self-care weekend. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you want, and I will see you in my next video.